Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make a video feed screen in iMovie on iPhone. First of all, open iMovie app, tap on movie and select the video, tap on create movie, tap on the video timeline, navigate to the magnifying glass in the upper right corner of your screen. Zoom your video by pinching the timeline. To make the video's dimensions smaller, pinch towards the center of the screen. To enlarge the video, drag your fingers to the outer edge of your screen. And that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.